Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you download iCloud photos to iPhone. At first just go to a browser. I'm just using Chrome. Now search for icloud.com/photos. Now you need to sign in the iCloud. I'm just gonna sign in. Now after going to the iCloud photos, select a photo that you want to download, and after selecting the photos, click the bottom last, the three dot icon here, this one, and after selecting it, click on download. Now again click on download, and here you can see the photo is downloaded. So guys, that's how you can download iCloud photos to iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.